couldn't resist. I got the Ahsoka Tano Lightsabers. It's a 2-pack. As you may know, she wields 2 different lightsabers, different size hilts. It looks like the blade length is the same as far as this budget lightsaber toy version goes. But shopdisney.com, I got it 25% off. Let's unpack. Alright, got my Ahsoka Tano lightsabers finally out of the blister. Man, those blisters are something terrible. Pretty frightful trying to get these out. But these aren't the original ones she started out with. Like if you watched, her training with Anakin Skywalker, she had like a green one, and then I think eventually built or made a smaller version. So she was wielding 2 even back then, but I believe the primary one was green blade, then the other one was like a bluish white blade. Now these should be white blades because later on, after she loses her original lightsabers, I'm not huge into the Ahsoka Tano lore, but she loses those. I believe battles a Inquisitor and takes the red kyber crystals out of that dual blade that they have, builds her a new set of lightsabers, and the kyber crystal, the red kyber crystal, like turns white when she gets it, because she's like in that in-between ultimate mode where you're like in between good, you're not a Sith, you're not a Jedi Knight, you're somewhere kind of in that balance point, which is really excellent. So let's take a look at these hilts. There they are up close. They do look plasticky. Budget blades. This coloring in the, it's hard to replicate in metal in this type of plastic as far as this color scheme goes. Maybe a little weathering would help, but from a distance, not too bad. Let's go ahead and install these blades. Both the blades are the same size. Large and small keyway, just like all the rest. Put it in, lock it. Yes. Line up the major keyway. And those are, make sure on each one that it's switched out of the demo mode. So you have off demo, then you have on. Let's get them both going. Alright, let's see. Yes! Oh! That's cool. This one has a little bit different sound. Kind of cool. This one has the same sound. I thought they were different when they were both on, but sounds the same to me. Oh yes, I like these. I like these. Of course, you get the belt clips. Let's dim the lights here. All right, still daylight outside, so that's creeping through the blinds there, but yes, I like it. Nice. I like the coloring on those. I like the sound effects on these. Boom.